problem is we're drowning in sugar. Sugar is everywhere. Kids around the world are getting hurt from sugar. That's why we're here today, to teach kids to eat healthy snacks without processed sugar. After school, I like snacks like chocolate bars, and all of these stuff. The problem of eating candy bars and chocolate is just not healthy. Instead of candy, you can eat fruit and dried fruit. Example, I love cranberries and craisins like this. Because this is a problem because it has added sugar. You want to buy dried fruit that has no added sugar. Figs like this. It said no added sugar. Let's look at the back to see if there's no sugar or any chemicals. No, it doesn't have any sugar or any chemicals. I love ice cream, and everybody loves ice cream too. Problem is we eat giant portions. You go to an ice cream store and then they give a bowl this big with ice cream in it. Way too much. Why my mom and I get this kind of ice cream. It's small and it's mini and can only take one bite. These little Dove ice creams are so tasty. And they're also small enough portions that are enough you can eat after a meal. It doesn't make me feel stuffed. And yet it's tasty and filling. Let me show you. This is the ice cream bar. Time to try it out.